Here we have a pre-calculus problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Determine limit extends to 4 negative f of x given that f of x equals to square root of 1 negative x square for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and f of x equals to 1 if 1 is if 1 less than or equal to x less than 4 and f of x equals to 4 if x equals to 4. Okay, here we have a piecewise function and we have to evaluate the limit extends to 4 negative f of x. Okay, let me write the given limit over here. That is limit extends to 4 and there is a negative sign on the right side top corner of the limit of x, that is 4 negative f of x. Okay, so what does the negative sign we have over here indicate? So it indicates the left side limit of this 4. That means let me draw a real number line and let me mark the number 4 on this number line. So extends to 4 negative means I said it's a left side limit, that is x approaches 4 from its left side. So when x approaches 4 from its left side, so what can be the values we have for we can have for x? So all the values of x over here will be less than 4. So in the given piecewise function over here, we have to consider the piece for f of x where the value of x is less than 4. So this is the part where the value of x is less than 4. So when x is less than 4, that is when x approaches 4 from its left side, then the piece we have for f of x is just 1. So now what we need to do is in the given limit, that is limit extends to 4 negative. For this f of x, what I need to plug in is I have to plug in 1. So because this is just of equivalent to f of x when x is less than 4. That is when x approaches 4 from its left side. So we can plug in 1 for f of x. Okay, so here, so this negative sign has nothing to do with the calculation part. So this negative sign indicates the left side limit. So that is, it helps us to identify the piece of f of x we have to use over here. So x tends to 4 negative means x approaches 4 from its left side. That is all the values of x over here will be less than 4. So accordingly, we select the piece we have for f of x, that is 1. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to plug in this 4 for x over here. But do we find x over here? No, we just find a constant 1 over here. So if I find x over here, I can plug in this value 4 for x, but I don't find x over here. I just find the constant. So whenever I evaluate limit for a constant, the result of the evaluation is the constant itself. So the limit extends to 4 negative 1 is equal to 1. So I just evaluated the given limit, that is limit extends to 4 negative f of x, that is equal to 1. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.